Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, I'm bringing you a look at one of the coolest, most beginner-friendly drones on the market. Meet the DJI Neo. This ultralight, controller-free drone is redefining what it means to fly, film, and explore with nothing but your hands and your phone. Weighing in at just 135 grams, the DJI Neo is compact enough to fit in your pocket, but don't let the size fool you. It's packing a powerful 4K UHD stabilized camera that delivers cinematic quality footage right out of the box. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just capturing your neighborhood from a new angle, the Neo delivers incredibly crisp, smooth video with vibrant colors and sharp detail. What really makes this drone special is its controller-free design. That's right, no bulky controller required. With palm takeoff and hand gestures, you can launch and land it straight from your hand, making it incredibly intuitive and fun to use. It's the perfect drone for anyone who wants high-quality footage without the steep learning curve. The DJI Neo also features advanced subject tracking. It literally follows you wherever you go. Perfect for vlogging, adventure sports, or solo content creation, the drone stays locked onto your movement with precision, ensuring you're always center frame. Want more cinematic flair? The built-in QuickShots modes let you create complex shots like orbits, dronies, and rocket shots with just a tap. And thanks to DJI's reliable stabilization tech and propeller guards, your footage stays smooth, and your drone stays safe, even in tighter environments. Despite its advanced capabilities, the DJI Neo is ideal for beginners. It's quiet, safe to fly, and doesn't require FAA registration in most regions due to its light weight. Whether you're a hobbyist, traveler, or aspiring creator, this drone opens the skies to everyone. So if you've been waiting to jump into drone videography without the hassle, the DJI Neo is your chance. Tap the link below to grab yours today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Gadgetverse family for more tech you can trust.